Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your MacBook. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences. There should be a tile down in our dock, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the mouse button, and then where it says Set up Bluetooth Mouse, go ahead and left click on that. And now at this point you want to go ahead and turn your Bluetooth mouse on. So if it's not turned on, make sure you switch it on, power it up. And if for some reason you're still not seeing anything, you can go back into System Preferences. So we click the little back arrow, and then we selected the option that says Dock and Menu Bar. Select Bluetooth and then check mark where it says Show in Menu Bar. Then there's something up here that appears now. If it wasn't up there before, this is a little Bluetooth icon. Go ahead and left click on that and toggle that to the on position. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.